So apparently last Friday, Trump attorney Christina Bobb, the former One American News host who now is serving on Donald Trump's legal team, last Friday she went and talked to the feds. And according to the reports, not only was she fully cooperative, but she also threw two other Trump attorneys under the bus. One of those people, of course, is Evan Corcoran. Evan Corcoran is the individual who wrote the document that Christina Bobb ultimately signed, saying that Donald Trump had fully complied. They had returned every stolen document back to the National Archives. Nothing more to see here. We're good to go. We have fully complied. Now, Bobb says that she didn't want to sign the document. She actually wanted to include a little bit of an asterisk that her signature on here was, quote, based upon the information that has been provided to me. So she wanted to add that caveat in there because at the time she was the custodian of Trump's records, but she didn't want to just sign a blanket document saying, yep, we've given everything back. She wanted to say, we've given everything back. As far as I know, maybe I'm wrong. That's how she wanted to phrase it, because I think deep down that she knew this didn't actually happen. But during her conversation with the feds, it wasn't an interrogation, it wasn't a deposition, it was a conversation. She allegedly told them that actually Evan Corcoran pressured me to sign it the way it is. She then, of course, threw another attorney of Donald Trump's, Boris Epshteyn, under the bus. With that, she said he did not help draft the statement, but he was minimally involved in discussions about the records. So we don't know exactly what she expanded upon with that statement, because I'm sure obviously the interviewers said, okay, well, hold up. Minimally involved means what? What did he do? What did he say to you? What did he ask you to do? So I'm sure she had to answer those questions. Unfortunately, we do not have the answers to those questions. But her throwing two Trump attorneys under the bus, especially a guy like Evan Corcoran, who is one of the few people with actual litigation experience on Trump's team, that's a big deal. And during the questioning, Christina Bobb had her attorney present because, yep, she lawyered up. Other people close to Evan Corcoran have already told him, you need to lawyer up. But as of right now, one source who spoke to NBC News said she spoke freely without an immunity deal. She is not criminally liable. She is not going to be charged. She is not pointing fingers. She is simply a witness for the truth. Kind of sounds like she was pointing fingers, though. I mean, when you're like, nope, I didn't do it, he did. Guess what? Oh, look at that. That's a finger pointing. So yeah, you did that. You pointed your two fingers at these two guys. So we know that you did that. As for her not being charged, very interesting for them to already come to that conclusion, especially considering the fact that signing this document, telling the government something that is not true, which again is basically like swearing it in court, could be perjury, could be obstruction of justice, could be lots of things, but apparently they've made up their mind. We're not going to charge her, so maybe those charges are going to be coming against one of the people she threw under the bus. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you saw, don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our Ring of Fire channel here.